1, 2, 3, go.
Recommend. Super saya, grabe. It was so amazing. It was parang adrenaline ko to the max.
Pero mga attraction na pwede yung mga adult, like itong Wii Trampoline Park, yung little Pick Me Up. Pick Me Up! Go!
What's up mga katropa? Tara at gumala tayo sa Quezon City with my boyfriend. For our QC date, pumunta kami ng Fiesta Carnival. Kinahaponan naman, pumunta kami ng Cafe Roo at Cinema 76.
So eto na, nasa loob na tayo ng Fiesta Carnival. It's not fiesta-rific for me, para sa'yo. Kamusta naman? So far.
Sabi ko po yung remnants ng Shopwise.
Yung mga rides dito pambata talaga. So bumili kami ng ticket sa go-kart. Ayan, pwede naman. Kamusta?
Super saya, grabe. It was so amazing. It was parang adrenaline ko to the max.
Actually, mukha lang siyang boring kapag nanonood ka kasi paikot lang siya. Pero pag nandun ka,
mapafeel mo yung breeze ng wind.
breeze. Nairita ako dun sa mabagal.
Girl, shut the fuck up. You thought you ate that?
Kasi may mga bata tayo kasabay. I-rate natin. Recommended over 10.
1, 2, 3, go.
Recommend.
Ay.
Did I lie? Did I lie? Did I fucking lie?
Dami ko na yung recommended over 10.
So, recommended.
Recommended over 10.
1, 2, 3, go.
Recommended over 10.
Yon, nagalingan mo. Ride number 2, nasa Carnival, bumper car. Nagulo yung buhok ko.
Medyo mabagal yung takbo ng car.
Yan ang pupuntahan natin sunod dito.
Sige, try yung trampoline park.
O tara, let's go, Trampoline Park.
Let's go.
Grabe na pagod kami.
Grabe na ako pagod.
Ilang minutes sa batay.
Hindi pang
5 minutes pa lang kami.
Ba't gano'n? Ba't patanda?
Uy! Pagod. Grabe.
Oh my God! What is that?
So this is us after Trampoline Park. Agardo Versosa.
Sweat all over the place.
So, kamusta naman ng Wii Trampoline Park?
Sulit yung 499.
Sulit, no? 1 hour. Actually, parang sobra yung 1 hour kasi 15 minutes pa lang, naramdaman ko na siya.
Hindi siya pwede pang matanda.
Oo, grabe. Literal na talon para ka nag-workout.
And don't forget to bring extra t-shirts kasi magpapawisan talaga kayo.
Suppose kami. So, anong rating for Wii Jump Trampoline Park?
Recommended over 10.
Pero overall, si Fiesta Carnival.
That's
Ano yung masasabi?
ano siya, for children.
Pero mga attraction na pwede yung mga adult, like itong Wii Trampoline Park, yung Roller Fever, pero parang 90% pang bata talaga. O ngayon, saan naman ang ating next destination after dito sa Fiesta Carnival?
Our next destination is Cafe Roo.
Cafe Roo. Let's go na. Let's go. Freshen up. Kamusta naman yung drink mo? How is it so far?
So in order ko is salt latte. Masarap. In front of Cafe Roo is Cinema 76. Nag-book tayo ng Arcadian na movie.
Nicolas Cage.
Yeah, at 7 p.m. So sakto, before tayo mag-movie time, coffee muna. Little pick me up. Pick me up!
So ito naman sa akin, syempre din nagko-coffee, watermelon shake para ma-invigorate. Invigorate. Kakainit. Tama lang na chill muna, refresh, and then later, chill ulit sa Cinema 76. Perfect date ideas dito sa QC. Diba? So chill and then movie. Kasi usually nanonood tayo ng movie, diba, sa mga sinihan sa SM, sa Ayala Mall. So ito, first time namin na different cinema place yung panonooran namin. Ay, may ganon? Yes.
Our next agenda is to watch movies sa Cinema 76.
Yes, last stop for the day. Ayan po, nasa tapat lang ng Cafe Roo ang Cinema 76. Tatawid lang kami. Welcome to Cinema 76. Kamusta naman? Ang ganda, no?
It's definitely the vibes.
The vibes. Meron silang alfresco dining. Alfresco.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Actually, meron silang cinema cafe where you can order food and then you can bring it inside the cinema.
Serve food na lang. Bayaran na. No, yun lang. Kaya sila may cinema cafe kasi bawal ka magdala ng outside food. So strictly kung ano lang yung in-offer nila dito, yun na yung pwedeng ipasok sa loob. Mura yung cinema ticket pero pricey yung food.
Yes.
So alam mo, ang ganda ng vibes. Very relaxing. Chill.
Very subdivision.
Subdivision.
Alright, so kamusta naman ang Cinema 76 experience natin? Tapos na yung movie.
Konti lang yung tao na nag-book ng slot natin. Arcade yan.
Parang na-solo na natin.
Yes, parang 6 people lang tayo sa loob. So, maluwag. Comfortable naman yung seats. And at the same time, maganda naman yung sound. Maganda naman din yung visual. So,
maganda yung ambience. Parang
Yes.
siya, high-end siya na cinema. So, sulit. Sulit naman yung...
sulit naman yung 320.
The cinema was good. Parang looking forward kami to go back here watching a different movie. Before we end the video, shout out to our friends who commented the airplane emoji from our previous video. Kung umabot kayo sa part na to, comment the coffee emoji to be featured on our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more date and travel videos. Thanks for watching mga katropa and see you sa next lakad with my boyfriend.